Make a knock for us to let us know that you're here?
When we ask that question, we get a strange sound. Listen closely to this weird noise.
Can you make a knock for us to let us know that you're here? Can you make a knock for us to let us know that you're here?
It's interesting because I know you were saying like you kind of feel something, or I don't know what it was when you were standing up. When I was walking through the hotel, the inn, coming up to get stuff and coming back down, I felt that was like really eerie. Being in here, I feel so calm. Like it feels almost dead.
As we set up the dowsing rods, we capture a clear and very compelling orb that changes direction mid-air. Watch closely as we review this footage.
Stuff. Some new stuff.